4 common reductions. Like, really common. Hey everyone, today I want to talk about 4 common reductions in English. Now remember, a reduction is when we shorten a sound, and we shorten or change a sound. A change gets shortened, it gets dropped, because we are speaking naturally and our sounds are affected by the sounds next to them. So remember that reductions are really common. They're very natural, and understanding and being able to hear reductions can help your listening comprehension. Now, eventually, if you feel confident enough, you can also produce reductions in your speaking. So let's get started with our 4 common reductions. All right, the first reduction is the reduction of your to your. So in the sentence, can I borrow your car? We would say, can I borrow your car? Or I haven't seen your phone. We would most of the time say, I haven't seen your phone. Your. The second reduction that we're going to talk about today is our to our. So here, the pronunciation of our sounds like the letter R. For example, welcome to our house. So instead of saying our house, we say our house. Or we can take our car, we would say we can take our car. Reduction number 3 is the reduction of the word and to an or just n. For example, I took a walk and went to the store. So here, instead of saying and went to the store, I say I took a walk and went to the store. So n. And then my second example, I bought some cheese and bread and some milk. Cheese and bread and milk instead of cheese and bread and milk. So milk. Our final reduction is the reduction of to t or t, or kind of a d sound. For example, if I say listen to me, rarely will we pronounce that to so clearly. I'll say listen to me, or even listen to me, listen to me. Come to the movie with me becomes come to the movie with me, or come to the movie with me. As always, I hope it was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions.